Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the monthly, I definitely still see this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I also do not see any reason to think it's over it. I honestly think it may be more likely that it goes up to around 165, which will probably be the end of a wave 5. I think there's no reason to think this is move up is over as of yet. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still believe this is the end of a wave 4, and it looks like a 1, 2, 3. Then it looks like a 4. Then I think we got an extended wave 5, so a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, like I was saying, we are at a Fibonacci level, but there's really no reason yet to think it's over. We do not have a break of starts to the downside. We do not have a lower high. I honestly wouldn't be surprised, especially looking at other yen pairs, if this does keep on going up, at least to the 100% Fibonacci extension. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, same thing. I mean, it looks like this is not respecting the 78%. It looks more like something to me that is in an uptrend that is not even over yet. I think this is likely a 1, an ABC of 2, and if this really is a wave 3, it's definitely too short to be the end of a wave 3, which is another reason why I think it's going to keep on going up to that 100% Fibonacci extension right around the 164, 165 area. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I am definitely looking for three-way pullbacks. 1, 2, 3 waves down to go long. I definitely wouldn't go long now. I would have to see a pullback, which definitely does not have to happen yet. It possibly could just keep on drifting up. But when and if it does make another ABC pullback, which I'm sure it probably will, that's where I'm going to be having my finger on the trigger ready to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we definitely got a nice end of a crescent right here. This is a perfect little ABC right here. Perfect little end of an ABC. That's exactly what I'm looking for, is these three-way pullbacks to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. I definitely wouldn't go long now. It kind of looks like a trend that may be fairly close to being over, which means maybe, just maybe, we'll get lucky and it'll make another pullback. Maybe it'll come back down, retest the 78%, and then continue the uptrend. Or maybe it'll just keep on going up. I don't really care what it does. I just know that I definitely have no desire to go short. I am definitely only looking for longs, especially when you're talking about the yen pairs, and I'm only looking to go long at the end of ABC pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you are interested in my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry and my live daily Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.